Good morning friends. In this video we are going to see a prashna. So as we all know, we have classified the prashna into two categories: events which will happen in days or month, and the events which will happen in hours or minutes. And we are posting prashna in each category for the past 2-3 months. So today in this post we are going to see a prashna which happened in days. So before going into the video, we request all the viewers who are not yet subscribed to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell button so that you will get notified whenever we post the videos. Now going into the prashna, the question was, will Divagar survive? This question was asked on 9/6/2020 evening 6:46 p.m. The chart we have shown in the above image. So now prashna we are approaching in 7 steps. Here the first step is natural zodiac. So Guruji used to tell in class that as per natural zodiac, 8th house is death house. You have to cross that house and get the benefits of 10, 11 and 12 houses. Then only you will get moksha. For that you need luck. That is the 9th house. So here prashna also has fallen in 9th house. The luck. The person is bedridden and is in ICU. They are asking whether he will survive. So the first step, the question is clearly indicated in natural zodiac. And the second step, lagna should indicate the question. Here the lagna is Jupiter and Ketu. Jupiter is lord of 1 and 4 in 1 and Ketu is in lagna. So 4th is health, Sukhasthana, and 2 is Maraka and for the self. So question is clearly indicated in lagna also. So now we'll move to the third step. Third step is moon should indicate the question. Here moon is lord of 8 placed in 2nd house. So 8th house is all death house and 2nd is Marakasthana. And moon is placed in the constellation of moon itself. So question is strongly indicated here. And it is conjoined with Saturn and Jupiter. Saturn is the Karaka planet for death and Jupiter is the Lagna lord and lord of 1 and 4. Saturn is lord of 2 and 3. So in third step also the question is clearly indicated. Now we will move to the fourth step. Here one more thing, no planets are aspecting the moon. So now fourth step, there should be a connection between lagna and the 311 lords to proceed to the prashna, to proceed further in the prashna. Here Jupiter and Ketu. Third lord and 11th lord is Saturn and Venus. Here there is no connection between lagna and 311 lords. However, Jupiter is placed in the constellation of Sun and the third lord Saturn is also placed in the constellation of Sun. So there is a indirect connection established between lagna and 311 lords. So we can proceed in the question. Why this is? Because the question was asked by a relative's friend, like that indirectly it has come to us. So the question is not directly indicated. So it is indirectly indicating. We have seen this in our previous prashnas also. Why there is an indirect connection and all. Now we'll go to the fifth step, whether the event will happen or not. Here Guru is Jivakaraka, Ketu is a destructor. So you can say the person will not survive and also placed in the 2nd house along with the 8th lord and Karaka planet. Say the planetary positions are not great. So that we can come to a conclusion. And we'll go to 6th step, specific rules for the prashna. Here the same thing is there. Ketu in lagna and 8th lord with lagna lord in Maraka house and with the Karaka planet, the same thing. The planetary positions are very, very weak here. So we can conclude that person will not survive. So now we will move to the final step, that is the timing of event. In this, Guru and Ketu are placed in 212. So 212 means hours. But Saturn is placed, it will delay and is also aspecting the 8th house. So it will further delay. So the event will not happen in hours. So the person will pass away in days. That is the first thing. And one more thing, whenever it comes to Prashna, whenever the question is asked with the name, you have to take Kedu as the Lagna and it took 311 and take 311 lots for Kedu and then arrive at the timing of event. Here it is, Kedu is placed in Sagittarius, for that 311 is Saturn and Venus. And here one more thing Guruji has told in this Prashna is, since the Lagna Lord Jupiter is conjoined with the 8th Lord and aspecting the 8th house, Jupiter is very very stronger, that is Lagna, and is also stronger connecting to 8th house. So Jupiter is capable of giving the death to this person. So Jupiter is the key planet here. In this, Jupiter, Mars is also in the constellation of Jupiter and Ketu is strongly representing Jupiter. So notes are always stronger, as we know. So when moon passes in Ketu Nakshatra, that is Ashwini Nakshatra, because the event will happen in days, so we are moving moon. We have to say the person will pass away in Ketu Nakshatra. So this is the rule which Guruji has given, and everyone can make a note of it since this is a new one. And now the person actually passed away on 16/6/2020 early morning. At that time it was Ketu Nakshatra. So this is how we have to arrive at the timing of event. So if you have any doubts on this post, you can post in the comment section, and also ask your queries in WhatsApp. Comments, as usual, we are clearing in 2 to 4 days. WhatsApp will reply in weekends, and also if not queried in the weekend, we will clear it in the subsequent weekends. So you can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and thanks for your continued support. Take care. Bye.